Hi, Mom. I was just going to show you how to use Photo Booth to take these pictures. So I looked at these pictures you sent. They're really blurry. So if we go, sorry, I got a million things open here. But if you go here in Finder on your computer, um, or you can just click on your desktop and do File, New Finder Window, and then go into Applications. Photo Booth should be in here, right here. So it's named Photo Booth. And then if you launch that, it uses the camera on your thing, and then you can put the documents up like this, maybe. And then you have to push the button. Have to hold it still, otherwise it won't come in very good. But that'll go on the, I think, on the desktop automatically. I'll just close out of that. So let's see here. So if we go to the desktop, we can see I have a lot of stuff on mine, but where does that go? Oh, let me try again. Applications, Photo Booth. Oh, it's right here. So it's right here. So you just click on that and drag it on your desktop, and then you could even go into your email next. And I'm going to close out of this. This is not what I wanted. Go into your email, and then just compose, and then attach that from your computer, that photo. And if we can kind of look at it here. It's decent quality. Excuse me. And then you can upload that and then send it to me, mayorward@yahoo.com.